Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix screen tearing and screen flickering in games on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do here, if you have a NVIDIA control panel, you just need to click on your monitor, right click on your desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. And then you need to change the things here. So the first one, what you need to do here, you need to go to manage 3D settings, then scroll down a bit until you see VSync, and make sure VSync is on, right? And also triple buffering, make sure triple buffering is on because it will prevent from screen tearing and flickering. And then go to that particular game where you're getting screen tearing and flickering, go to the gear icon, then go to options. Usually it's under the display or graphics, should be VSync. In this case, under the display tab, should be VSync, and then you just need to enable it, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.